bro. I'm telling you, let my handcuffs up firm, bro. This shit hurt, bro.
Stop kicking the door.
You. Let my handcuffs up front, bro. Open my door and let me these handcuffs off. Take me to jail. I don't give a. I promise you, I'm gonna make y'all live in hell.
Ohio, November 18th, 2023. An officer spotted two women arguing in the parking lot outside the police station. When he intervened, one woman resisted, yelled, and pulled on the car door, forcing the officer to arrest her for disorderly conduct. During the handcuffing process, she continued to struggle, even though her friend confirmed she had been drinking. The argument stemmed from a dispute over a cell phone.
Stop touching me.
Stop.
Please get your hand off me.
Then step back from the car.
This is my partner. I'm asking you to stop touching me.
Look at me. Step
Have
back.
a right.
You don't have a right to be
my
ripping
law.
outdoors in front of the cops.
This is my partner.
I don't care who it is. Step back.
I give a fuck about you having a badge, bro.
Go ahead. Do you want
I'm
to be
asking you.
arrested?
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
I'm asking you to take a step
Put your arms
back.
behind your back.
No.
Put your arms behind your back.
No.
No. Put your arms behind your back.
No.
Let go.
Under arrest?
Yes.
Why?
Disorderly conduct. Put your arms
That's a
behind
lie.
The officer asked her to step back and then attempted to arrest her.
Lie. I'm
Okay.
talking to my partner. Get the fuck off me,
resist.
bro. Get the. I'm asking you to get the fuck off
around.
me. No.
Turn around.
Get
don't
off
care.
me, dude.
She's been drinking.
Turn the f around.
No.
We're done playing.
No. I'm not playing with you. Get the fuck off me, dude. Get off. But I'm asking you to get the fuck off me.
What are we doing right now?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, guys.
No, we're past
Step
this.
back.
We are past this.
Put your
She's
hand.
been drinking. Wait, stop. You have an argument. Wait.
Oh, yeah, bro. You stupid. This is the you did.
Here, I didn't do that. I told you I was at
You did.
Stop.
And you
Are you wanting
decided-
to stop?
Here. I'm letting it go.
Then stop.
All right, I'm
All
letting
of
go.
your hard f***ing work is just down the drain now because you're getting arrested because you wanted to drink and you wanted to act a fool.
Because you.
No, you! This is
Stacey,
your
we're gonna have
fault,
one
not
to
mine.
In the east strap.
You just grab my
West
phone.
strap.
You grab my phone.
Yeah, and I'm letting everybody know you're f***ing getting arrested because you wanted to f***ing drink and you wanted to act a fool. I'm
Go
not
sit in the
giving
car
you
and we'll talk to you in a minute. Why do you got to make shit hard? I'm trying to talk to you.
The arrested woman continued to yell and resist while being put into the patrol car.
See what was going on, and you made shit hard. Sit down on the f***ing curb.
Don't talk to me like that.
Do you want to get
We're
put
Past respect right now.
you? Get in the car. You're under arrest.
I can't get it.
You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt me?
Yep. Give it all to her, please. I'm asking you.
Stay back.
Grab my phone. Do all the bullshit that you gotta do, you f***ing asshole.
Can you? Ellie!
Don't.
You were making it so much worse on
You're
yourself.
making it
Y'all
worse.
are such fucking assholes.
Are we doing this to you? No, you did this to yourself. All you.
You.
Get in the car.
You don't gotta do all that.
Sit in the car.
Listen,
Put your feet in.
I will.
We're
I will
done.
corroborate.
Put your
Listen,
feet in.
Hold on, let me talk
We're
to you.
not
like
listening. Put your feet in. I tried to listen to you. Put your feet in.
I will.
One.
Damn, dude, I'm trying to
We're
get
done
my wrist
talking.
together.
Sit down and get.
I need her.
I will. Can you let me get my wrist together? Just hold on, real quick.
Her friend tried to intervene and explained that they were only having an argument and were disputing over the ownership of a cell phone.
You're not telling us what's going on.
You came up here when I was
we're the
talking to her.
police.
I don't care.
Cheyenne, it's okay, it's okay. It's my fault. I was being an asshole. It's okay.
Cops wanted to f***ing interrupt.
It was my fault. It's my fault.
Sit down
I
in
am,
the
I am,
car.
I am.
We had a dispute.
Yelling at me, please.
It wasn't even physical. She tried to open the door and this motherfucker came up and tried to arrest her. That was it.
Okay.
We were having a dispute on our own.
Shit. Oh, shit.
Here, it's fine.
Oh, it's not. No, I got like turn my wrist real quick.
My phone, my wallet.
Ah, shit. Hold on. I just gotta turn my.
That is registered to me.
Stop yelling.
Stop yelling so we can figure
That
this
phone
out.
I bought. That's my phone. It's registered under my name.
If
No.
she's using it, then she has to keep it.
No, it's my phone.
Okay.
I asked her for it back. That's the whole reason why we're in this dispute. I pay for that bill. It's under my name. I paid $900 for that phone. I let her use it. Yes. I need her phone. I paid for that phone.
So if she had the phone, and I'm talking to you reasonably, okay, you gave it to her as a gift, and she's been using it?
No, I let her use it for tonight because her phone, she broke yesterday. That is my work phone. That is not her phone.
You just said you gave it to her.
I let her use it today, yes.
Okay. And that's why this is all started.
Yes, because she wanted to go out and drink. She was texting people off of my phone. I came here to get out of my house because she's been drinking. She asked me where I was. I told her the police station. I seen her pull in and she thought I was at somebody's house. So she tried to open the door. And then that's when you were sitting right there and she pulled over here and she told me to open the door. And I said, no, well, I didn't realize that the door wasn't locked. So she opened the door. But she has been drinking. She's been drinking since 11 at night.
Do you know the password to get in the phone or anything?
Yes, my password.
Sorry, you understand, we don't know what the heck's going
Yeah,
on.
Right,
I
but
pull
if
up,
I-
I just see her yelling and screaming, pulling on the
Right,
door.
no, I
don't
get
know
it.
what's going on.
No, and
when I tried to
her,
talk to her,
I
she
know.
went high into the room.
I know, and she has every right to get arrested for that. I completely understand. I told her that she needed to relax, but
Which car did she? Are you able to get both cars out of here? I mean, they're good here for now.
You just can't keep it here for, so if you can get somebody here like in the
do you know about how long she's going to be in jail? 'Cause she was supposed to go to work
6
tomorrow.
to 8 hours.
6 to 8
She has to
hours.
sober up unless there's, but
Can
I
I
think she's gonna fight with us in jail. Then she'll be here for 8 hours.
Can I just talk to her for 2 seconds before you take her? Can I just tell her to calm down?
I think we're past that.
She's not
But
going
she's
to.
crying and I know her drunk. Can I just tell her to calm down? Can I
You
just,
already tried to tell her to calm down, it didn't work.
I know, but now you,
She's just going right into there.
Say, besides disorderly and the resisting,
I don't know. I wouldn't
maybe
go-
obstruction.
Why?
Because I told her to stop. She was trying to rip
Yeah,
the door.
obstruction resisting.
And I was like, stop.
DCP, disorderly persisting, obstructing resisting.
Cool.
Yeah,
Yep.
that is not what I expected.
All right. Probably. Hey, stop kicking the door.
I don't give a
Jack, we're going to need the chair.
move my handcuffs in the front.
No.
Bro, I promise you I'll make a problem.
And I promise you they're not getting moved. Now chill the out.
I don't give a
Stop.
I don't give a if you don't give a about me, I don't give a about you. I don't give a I don't give a I will kick this in, bro. I'm telling you, let my handcuffs up front, bro. This shit hurt, bro.
Stop kicking the door.
You. Let my handcuffs up front, bro. Open my door and let me these handcuffs off. Take me to jail. I don't give a. I promise you, I'm gonna make y'all live in hell. Try me. Come on, 3 of y'all. Cause y'all come do me a favor. Do me a favor by putting the handcuffs in the front, you asshole.
You can't do that.
Dude, I'm hurt. I'm just asking a favor.
No, we can't get favors.
Man, shut the like a normal human being. I'm asking you a favor. Yes, you can.
Come on.
Man, you. No, you. Take me out. Come on. Am I gonna get an extra charge for you taking me out?
You're gonna get a lot of charges. And this
Hey,
would've
come on,
been
man.
so
Come on.
easy. There you
Come on.
There you go. This way.
I'm not that difficult.
All right. You guys have one every.
Just an asshole. You could've just put him in the front. What are you?
Go.
What's your name?
Rollerson.
Oh, so you're an asshole. Stop touching me like
Go
that.
down there to the
I
fucking
will
red
cooperate, but don't. You will not.
Go.
You're not gonna get cooperation on me if you touch me like that, bro. I'm trying to tell you, be easy. God damn.
Listen, you don't want to roll your let's just walk. It's so much easier if you just calm down.
But if your f***ing, like partner would be a f***ing easier dude, it wouldn't be this difficult. Stop, right? You are such an asshole. God damn.
I've been called that before.
No, it's not even that. You just are generally an asshole ass person. I can't wait till I'm an officer, because you know what? Even though these punk ass charges, I will be an officer. You're a f***ing asshole. I won't treat him. It's like, you just let my hand go. God damn, I know you like me, but you ain't gotta hold me like that.
Do we got a cell ready?
Yeah, just get a girl, the searcher, and then put her in the cell.
I got a wallet up in this f***ing sofa.
Where's that?
It's off over. I already took everything out.
No, dude. I'm not a f***ing criminal. It's a drunk night. I'm being a f***ing. And it is really
What is she here for?
DCP,
I'm drunk.
resisting, and obstruction.
That's a f***ing lie. I'm gonna fight that in court. I'm gonna get a f***ing lawyer. F*** you.
The woman was arrested and charged with 3 offenses: disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, obstruction. Although she admitted during the encounter that she had been driving while intoxicated, police did not pursue a DUI charge because they did not directly observe her driving on a public roadway. She was transported to the detention center, where she was required to stay for 6-8 hours to sober up before being considered for release. The incident concluded with officers completing the report, taking statements from her friend, and clearing the scene. Just one moment of losing control can push everything beyond your reach. Drinking, getting angry, and resisting the police never solve anything. They only make the trouble worse. Staying calm, cooperating, and knowing when to stop are the only ways to keep a small argument from turning into a criminal case.